Hello friends, today we are going to prepare a Mangalorean dish, Semaydadde or rice noodles. In today's recipe, we are going to see how we can prepare rice noodles in a simple way using simply a chakli maker. Before seeing the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. First, let's soak the rice. For this, I have taken about 2 cups of boiled rice or red rice and 1 cup of white rice. This is soaked for about 4 hours. Now let's prepare the batter from this. The batter should be of thick consistency so that we can prepare rice ball from it. If the batter is a bit watery, then you can heat it on the pan over the low flame until a thick consistency is formed. While grinding, add salt as per taste. I have added about 3 teaspoons of salt here and prepare about medium-sized rice balls from it. Once the rice balls are ready, we need to steam this, so for which you can use the idli making container and steam the rice balls. I have cooked this in the steam for about 20 minutes. While the rice balls are getting cooked, let's prepare the chakli maker. For the chakli maker, use the attachment which has lots of smaller holes in it. Smaller the holes, better the rice noodles. Take a little bit of oil and apply it all over the chakli maker and the attachment. This step is done only once before starting. This helps in the smooth making of the rice noodles. Now our rice balls are cooked. We do not need this to be cooked for very long. If the rice balls are cooked longer than required, then making the noodles becomes tougher because the rice balls harden. We also want it to stay hot, that's why do not off the gas, but just keep it in a low flame and let it be in the steam itself. Just remove the rice balls that are required for the current noodles preparation. So I am taking 3 rice balls here and putting it in the chakli maker. Let's press the noodles onto the plate in a round fashion until any rice balls are left in the chakli maker. Transfer the noodles to a different container. Take few more rice balls from the steam and repeat the process. The rice noodles and the sweet coconut milk is a very nice combination and can be had as a sweet or for the morning breakfast, or we can prepare a upma from it, or this can be sun dried and stored for a very long time and can be prepared upma whenever required. So here's the simple recipe for the rice noodles. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share the video and do click on the subscribe button below. See you next time. Bye.